Healthcare was a key issue in the midterm elections. Now, with a combination of divided government, dueling healthcare providers like Highmark and UPMC, and changes in Medicare and the Affordable Care Act, how can the consumer navigate through the maze? Well, Brian Breisinger is CEO and principal at MediConnect, which describes itself as an independent Medicare plan concierge service that helps to bridge the healthcare gap. He's with us this morning for some perspective on this changing landscape. Brian, welcome to the show. It's great to have you here.
Thank you so much for having me, John.
I think it's very confusing to a lot of people to sort through what you can get and what you can't get when it comes to Medicare and government health care. Right. Is that what your company's all about?
Yes. It was simply founded on a principle that there was so much confusion in the marketplace out there as to what the choices are, what is best for me in my situation. We found that throughout the entire region, which is what spawned MediConnect. So we are an independent healthcare advisory firm. We're located right here in Pittsburgh. And we sit down with individuals on a yearly basis, helping them to make those selections.
So did I read correctly? You have something like 17,000 clients?
Yes. Firm started back in 2007. And since then, we've grown exponentially, primarily because there is such a need for it in the marketplace, and there isn't really a lot of options out there for people.
Are your clients mostly older folks?
Yes, they are. We specialize in Medicare. That's really our forte. Right. So we would say probably 80 to 85% of our client base is over the age of 65.
Well, somebody who is approaching Medicare age, which is 65, I mean, we all know there's Medicare out there.
Right.
But what we don't always know is that Medicare doesn't cover everything.
Yes, and that's where it starts to get tricky for folks. Roughly 80% of the bills will be covered by Medicare, but the other 20% can be alarming. You know, you think about when you go to get just basic procedures done and you look at the bill at the end of the day, 20% can be a lot.
It could kill you. It could wipe out your savings.
Yes, it can. So that's why folks need to go and purchase some type of supplement to Medicare to pick up the other 20%.
And we hear that there are a variety of plans like, is it called Medicare Advantage? And then there's supplemental insurance, but there are differences.
They are different. So to give you just a quick overview, Medicare supplement plans, you'll hear them in letters A, B, F, N, G. These plans don't have any networks. People are paying a premium for the coverage and not needing a network and having limited copays. Whereas Medicare Advantage plans are more like the group health insurance that most people understand, where you have a network of doctors and hospitals, where you're going to pay a premium, you're going to have out-of-pocket expenses, you're going to have to pay for the services that are rendered, and then lastly, you're going to have a network of doctors and hospitals you have to fit in. So and that can get a little tricky.
Which is better?
That depends. It's really going to depend on each individual's needs and wants, and I think that's where our service and our value really comes into play, John.
So you have to essentially evaluate the individual or the couple's financial situation, their medical needs. I mean, they could be perfectly healthy at age 65.
Very well can be.
And not have any problems until they're 75 or 80.
Right.
But you renew these programs every year. We're seeing the ads on TV now.
Right.
That you have until what, December 7th?
Yes.
To move out of one plan into another? Is that how it works?
Yes. This enrollment period allows folks to make those types of decisions and changes on a yearly basis. And it's the Medicare Advantage marketplace is where you tend to see the most disruption. And it's because, John, they're year-to-year contracts. So each and every year, my premium can adjust, my copays can adjust, the formularies, the networks. Unfortunately, this particular year, network's really important in this area, can adjust. And that's why it's very important for people to do a comprehensive review of their benefits each and every year during this time period.
Wow. And that's asking a lot of folks, particularly as they get older. Well, let me ask you about this Highmark UPMC situation, because I know that it's confusing to a lot of people and it's going to have an impact. What exactly is going to happen is it June of 2019?
June of 2019. So I think the information is out there now that the consent decree is ending June 30th of 2019. But what we've experienced, John, is there's a lot of confusion in the marketplace as to exactly what that means.
Yes, so what does it mean?
So if I could back up for a second, there's confusion in this marketplace because UPMC and Highmark, they are a health plan and a health system.
Yes.
And I want to be very clear, they are two different entities. So Highmark, which started years and years and years ago as the insurance plan that most people chose in this region. Blue Cross Blue Shield was the affiliate, right? So most people understand them as the insurance plan. And UPMC at that time was the provider, the hospitals, the doctors, the health system. Well, that was in the very beginning. As we sit here today, they now both have a health plan and a health system. And that's what gets people confused. Folks are under the impression that I have to be forced to make a decision this enrollment period whether I want to be tied into the Allegheny Health Network or the UPMC network. And I have to choose either Highmark or UPMC to have that. And John, that is simply not the case. The health system is separate from the health plan. So UPMC, for example, has their own health plan where you can utilize their hospitals and doctors, but the health system also has contracts with national carriers, Aetna, United Healthcare, Cigna, and they have access to UPMC and the Allegheny Health
So you
system.
don't have to use UPMC health plan insurance in order to access UPMC doctors. And the same would be true on the Allegheny Health. You don't have to use just Highmark
Correct.
to access the Allegheny Health Network.
Yes.
It gets confusing, and we're going to have you come back because I think it's important as we get closer to this date for everybody to understand this. It's a complicated subject. So, Brian Breisinger.
Yes, sir.
I got that right. Thank you so much for joining us on the show. It's great to have you
Appreciate it.
with your wealth of information, and we are going to have you back, I promise.
Thank you.
We'll be back with more of the Sunday Business Page in just a few moments. Stick with us.